This is the part 1 of our topic. So it's all about the volume of pyramid with regular base. Okay, so everyone, can you read the meaning?
A pyramid is a three-dimensional solid with a polygonal base and triangular faces that converge to a single point called the apex.
Okay, this is an example of pyramid. So the parts of a pyramid, this is the base, yung ilalim. So kung i-compare natin sa ating room, ang base dyan yung floor natin. That is the base of the given pyramid. We have also the apex. Ano po ba yung apex? Okay, it is a point, yung nasa pinakatuktok niya. We have also the height. Ito yung height niya, yung color brown. We have also the slant height, yung height nung nakaslant. Diba ang pyramid para siyang triangle na pinagsama? Okay, yung slant height, yung na height ng paslant. And we have also the lateral faces, yung faces ng gilid ng pyramid. And we have also the edge. Ano yung edge? Yung mismong gilid. For example, using our table, yung edge natin ito. Yan. We have, how many edge do we have? 4. That is the part and the meaning of pyramid. So this time, okay, let us recall also the formula in finding the area. The area of a rectangle and the area of a square. So this is the formula in finding the area of a rectangle. Okay, just simply multiply the L. What is L? Okay, this is the length. And then W is the, okay, this is the width. So just multiply to find the area of a rectangle. Just simply multiply length times width. And this is also the formula in finding the square. Area of a square. Okay, side times side, or just simply S squared. Why? Using exponential notation, ilang S to? Okay, dalawa. Sulat mo isang S, then yung exponent kung ilang S yung binigay. That is S squared. Okay, and we have also formula in finding the volume naman po. The volume of a prism. So just multiply length times width times height. Or we can use this formula as, okay, letter B, capital letter B, is denoted as the base area. And then small letter B is what we call the base lang. So, when we say base area, kinakalculate na yung sukat ng buong base natin. And then yung base naman natin, kung may base tayo, may base area tayo, meron lang limited na base dito. Ito po yun, yung nasa gilid. Okay, just simply multiply length times width times height. So, volume of a prism is also an example of three-dimensional figure.